Bleeding your brakes or replacing your brake fluid is recommended to be done every 2 years or 15,000 miles by the Kawasaki KLX300 manual. You only need a few things for the job. First is .4 brake fluid, ideally brand new since brake fluid tends to absorb water after it's been opened. An 8mm open-ended wrench, and lastly you'll need a brake bleeder tube and a bottle for the fluid to drain into. I picked up this tube for about $6 on Amazon. Starting with the rear brakes, the reservoir can be accessed under the plastics on the right side of the bike. Start by removing the reservoir cover, which is just 2 Phillips head screws. On the rear brake assembly, connect the hose to the bleeder screw. The process of bleeding the brakes requires pressure to be built up in the braking system, then the bleeder screw being cracked to allow fluid to flow out, tightening the screw back, and then pumping the brake pedal or lever to build up pressure again. While the bleeder screw is open, you want to keep constant pressure on either the brake pedal or the brake lever as to not let air into the system. In order to fully replace the fluid, you essentially repeat the process over and over until your fluid comes out looking like new fluid and does not have any air bubbles in it. The key to the brake bleeding process is to ensure that the reservoir does not drop below the lower line. If the level in the reservoir gets too low, you risk air getting into the brake line, and then you'll have to repeat the brake bleeding process for a lot longer in order to get those air bubbles out. You continue to repeat the process of bleeding the system and refilling the reservoir until the fluid coming out of your bleeder screw is the color of new fluid. You don't want it to look dark. You don't want any air bubbles in it. It needs to look like essentially new fluid coming out with no air bubbles. Some people say this is a 2-person job, but I think it can easily be done with 1 person depending on your bike. I think with the Kawasaki KLX that it's pretty straightforward to do by yourself. The front braking system is the same as the rear, except it's a little bit more difficult to pull the lever and reach the front brake lever at the same time, but it is possible even if you don't have a friend to help out with this maintenance. Once both systems are done and the brake fluid line falls between the upper and lower levels in the reservoirs, you can pour the old brake fluid into your brake fluid bottle and bring it to your local auto parts store who will take it for free. Thanks for watching and happy riding. Feel free to check out my other Kawasaki KLX maintenance videos.